Hello. Okay, so today for language arts, we are going to expand our lesson of nouns. So yesterday we kind of talked about nouns and verbs, and we talked about how nouns were people, places, and things, and verbs were the action. They were the words that described what the noun was doing or what the noun was being. So we'll talk later about different kinds of verbs, but today we're going to talk about different types of nouns. Okay, so if you look at your screen, I've already kind of started making some columns, and I have a column of regular nouns. These are the nouns that you're probably pretty much used to. These are the ones that we kind of talked about yesterday. They're just regular nouns. So we have a girl. Well, that's a person, not a specific girl, just a girl. We have boy. We have mountains. Ooh, that's a thing. So we have people. We have things, mountains. Museum, that's a place. City, state, those are places as well. So we have people, we have places, and we have things in this column, but nothing specific. Well, some nouns can be specific nouns, and they are usually naming a specific person, a specific place, or a specific thing. So when we talk about those, we call them proper nouns because they actually have a proper name. So one of the easiest ways to think about this is girl. Okay, when we see the word girl, it could mean any girl. But if we see this is the name of a specific girl. Not just any girl, but it's a specific girl. And if you notice, we have a capital letter here. All of our proper nouns are capital letters. They begin with a capital or an uppercase letter. Okay, so let's see if we can get some more proper nouns. All right, so we have boy. Well, I know of one name that comes to the top of my head, and this is my specific boy, my son Matthew. So this is his name. I gave this proper noun a capital M, an uppercase M. We always capitalize our proper nouns. Okay, so we have mountains. Well, this is a place or a thing. But if we were talking about a specific mountain, well, that would be a different story. So maybe it would be Mount McKinley. That's the name of a specific mountain. That's its name. Okay, so I wouldn't just give mountains an uppercase M because I could be talking about any mountain, but this one I'm talking about Mount McKinley. And when you have MT like that, that's short for mountain. So Mount McKinley. Oh, museum. Ooh. So this is a place, but when I'm saying museum, well, I could be talking about any museum. But if I wanted to talk about a proper noun and have a specific museum, I might say the Chicago Museum of Art. That's a specific museum, the Chicago Museum of Art. And I want you to notice what I did with this. I didn't capitalize just the first word of this proper noun. I capitalized all the important words in this name. Chicago, museum, and art. They all get to have their own capital letters. Same thing with Mount McKinley. If you have two names in your proper noun, you capitalize them both. So I have Chicago Museum of Art, and I capitalized it. All right. City. Well, I could say I went to the city. I'm not really being specific to say which city. So how about if I say I went to Granger. I capitalize Granger because that is the proper name of that city that I went to. I could also say I went to South Bend. And if you notice, South and Bend both have a capital uppercase letter. All right, state. We have just the word state, and that really doesn't tell me much because it doesn't tell me what specific state. But if I was going to talk about a specific state and give it a name, I would say Illinois. That has a capital I, which actually I'm going to pick a different one because that looks like 3 lowercase l's together. So let's pick our state, Indiana. If I take a look at Indiana, I'm naming a specific state. So therefore, I gave it a capital I. Okay, so here's what you are going to do. I will attach a Google Doc and I will set it up exactly like this. I will give you, actually, how about if you choose your own proper nouns? Okay, how about if you give me, how about 10 proper nouns that you can type up, okay? You can mix it up. You could give me people, places, or even things that would be a proper noun, okay? So choose 10 proper nouns. I would like you to type them on your Google Doc, and then you can submit. Okay, have fun thinking of proper nouns.